Hello, my name is Joan Sebastian Calzada Nieto. I am 24 years old. I live in Teoloyucan State of Mexico. I have two brothers. My dad's name is Susano Calzada Chavez and my mom's name is Maribel Nieto Rojas. I have 2 years old daughter. Her name is Samantha Paulette. My wife's name is Itzayana. I am 1 meter and 63 centimeters tall. I have brown eyes. I weigh 79 kilograms. I have a guitar with which I play in a mariachi. I have two dogs. One is Charlie and the other is a cat. I have a phone and a computer.